If you're searching for wall painting designs that can elevate your home decor, you are in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore innovative wall painting techniques, color combinations, and design tips that would transform any room in your house. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join my creative community. So before we dive into ideas, let's discuss why paint is so important for your home. The right wall colors can influence the mood, it can create a sense of space, and even enhance your home aesthetic appeal. So let's get inspired, guys. First off, let's talk about color psychology in wall painting design. Colors can evoke emotions and set the tone for a room. For example, blue promotes calmness, while yellow brings joy and energy. Choosing the right color can enhance your living space significantly. Now let's explore some trendy wall painting techniques. One popular method is the accent wall. By painting one wall a bold color, you can create a stunning focal point in your room. Okay, so another technique is the geometric pattern. Now, using the painter's tape, you can create various shapes and designs and add a modern touch to your walls. Now, next, let's not forget about the neutrals. Neutral colors like gray, beige, and white can provide a sophisticated and timeless backdrop for your decor. They also allow you to play with colorful furnishings and accessories. Now, for those who love DIY projects, consider these creative wall painting ideas. You can create a striped wall using contrasting colors for a chic look, or try the umber effect for a dreamy gradient that is perfect for bedrooms or nurseries. And if you're feeling artistic, wall murals or stencils can add a unique touch to your space. So whether it's a nature scene or an abstract design, a mural can personalize your room and make a statement. You know, I've actually talked about adding a special touch to your space in one of my videos. I'm going to link it up, so please go and watch that video. Okay, watch this video, finish watching this video, then go and check out that video. So finally, I just want to talk about using the right finish on your paints. Now, when it comes to wall painting, choosing the right finish is just as important as selecting the color. Okay, so for matte finishings, they are great for hiding imperfections, while satin and eggshell finishes, they offer a bit of shine and actually easier to clean. So those are options that you want to play around with when you're choosing your colors. And with that, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this wall painting design ideas inspire you to get creative in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and leave a comment below with your favorite wall paint ideas. Please don't forget to subscribe for more home decor tips and tricks, and a happy painting to you. See you in the next video. Bye.